Careful. Careful, Sydney. Gentle. Gently, remember. Let her get up by herself. Okay, now do it. Oh, fall down, yay! Good job, Case. Yay, Sid. Casey, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You say bye-bye too, Sid?
Bye.
Casey, say bye-bye. Case, over here. Look, Casey. Woohoo!
I say
Case.
bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.